Hi, good evening, friends. Today I wanted to have a small video. It's a question for all long term investors like us. Why are we investing in the stock markets? From our childhood, right, we are taught that we need to first save and then spend. I think many of our parents did that, right? Now, the question is, if you want to save some money out of all your earnings, right, and then spend, where do you save this money? Right? That's a very vital question. There are so many options today where we can save this money. Now, in a country like India or any country in the world, we all know that the amount of goods we can buy with 100 rupees 10 years back, right, with that same 100 rupees, if you want to buy the same goods today, probably will get a little bit lesser in terms of quantity, right? This might not necessarily be true with so many things. For example, the price of petrol has gone up, probably the price of data has gone down, the price of mobile phones which we use, right? You get so many quality mobile phones at a cheaper rate today, okay? But overall, if you look at things, with 100 rupees what you get 10 years back, today probably you're going to get something lesser than that, right? This people call it as inflation, okay? However, whether the country's inflation is relevant to us or not, whether that's the inflation for us, is for another video, another day, right? But now, keeping in mind this, right, that the purchasing power of money is going down over a period of time, and that's a reality, right? That is definitely a reality. That means we need to save this money in a place where it compounds much more than the way that particular purchasing power is going down, right? Only then it makes sense for all of us. So keeping this in mind, which is the best asset class today, right, over a long term? When we invest in the stock market, for most of the investors who come in, this is just another game, right? You buy something at 50 rupees, you probably want it to go to 55 60 rupees, and then you sell it out. But to be frank, is the stock market really that? Absolutely not. A stock market is a great place for all of us to become part owners of great businesses. And if we are owners of businesses, then we need to think like owners of businesses, because owners do not give up during bad times, nor do they become over enthusiastic during great times, right? They keep going on. So our job in the stock market is to save or invest that money in companies which are growing their earnings at a much faster rate than the so-called inflation or the purchasing power of the rupee for all of us, right? Doesn't it sound so simple when we think in terms of 10 years, 15 years kind of time period? Can't we identify companies which are strong and which have a huge earnings potential over a period of time? If we can do that, then no one can stop wealth creation. So friends, if we are owning businesses, let us look at it as real owners and not just a game in the stock market. The small fine-tuning of thought process can help us create wealth over a long period of time. Okay, so I wish you all the best. I leave you with these thoughts. Good night. Take care.